I'm going to do a little rundown on GMOs. It's a really popular part of the talk that I do called the gut-brain connection. I figured I'd just give you a little cue in on what it's all about for those of you that don't know. This isn't comprehensive GMOs, but it is a little bit more than what most people would understand. So GMO, just right off the bat, is a genetically modified organism. And in fact, there's three different types of GMOs found in our foods today. The first one, and the most common one, is called Bt toxin. It's actually found in 90% of our corn, soy, and cotton. What it is, it's a built-in pesticide that's continually produced throughout the life of the plant. And what happens when bugs and insects and all those things that try to destroy the plant eats it, the plant actually fights back, and it causes the insect stomachs to explode on the inside. There's been studies, that says there's not much of an effect on humans, but if we're eating this over and over and over again, the cumulative effect could lead to causes of inflammation. And what's interesting is that this isn't just found in adult blood. 93% of pregnant women tested, 80% of the umbilical blood found in the babies, and 67% of non-pregnant women found Bt toxin blood already in the system. So it's not only affecting our adults, but even our little tiny babies before they're even born are found with GMOs inside of them. Next type of GMO is probably the most well known is Roundup Ready. What this is the plants are made to resist tropical herbicides that kill everything around it. What happens is even though the plant doesn't die that's made to be resistant, it's still absorbed by the plant and eaten by us. The reason why this is important is because most of the Roundup Ready sprays contain glyphosate, which destroys our gut bacteria. And for those of you that have done a little bit of studying on the gut-brain connection or know how important the gut is to our physiology, not just to digest food, but also for our immune system and neurotransmitters in the brain, so this could have huge, huge effects. Last one that we're going to go over here is desired trait. So what happens is everybody loves redder tomatoes, greener lettuce, and so on. So they genetically modify these plants to contain promoter genes, and they're designed to wake up genes inside these fruits and vegetables and plants that make everything appear to be brighter. What's interesting is that this genetic modification has never been studied for safety, and although there's never been a study that correlates cancer and desired trait genetic modifications, there's something called oncogenes in our body. Oncogenes are the code for cancer, and if this oncogene is turned on, then cancer will be prevalent in the body. Here's the thing, our body is designed through epigenetics to keep these cancer genes off. But if we're eating foods that contain promoter genes designed to wake up certain types of genes, could it be one of the reasons why we have higher cancer rates today than ever before? Maybe. So that's just a little overview on genetically modified foods. If you want to know more about what's going on inside of our bodies, continue to follow my page and look for the next event, Gut Brain Connection, coming up soon.